My name is Shyam Kumar. I am working in Christ University, Bangalore as a network administrator.
Myself, Jojym Joseph, Senior System Administrator, Christ University, Bangalore. Since 2012, I am working here as a System Administrator. So we have 6 locations in Christ University. So 4 in Bangalore and 2 off campuses we are having. All the branches we are using ManageEngine Endpoint Central. Total altogether we have 4,000 endpoint license we are having. So we are using the Endpoint Central in Windows operating system, Windows Server, Linux-based operating systems, and macOS.
Major challenge in the campus what we are facing is OS installation is one of the major challenge. Before we usually struggle a lot to install systems because we are using all assembled systems. In that, in the lab, we have lots of challenges, the patch management and system settings, all those things. So once we implemented the ManageEngine, everything is become smooth. That actually it is a game changer. Like it has become easy. We can do lots of settings in the ManageEngine itself, and we can do it in a single shot. And we are doing all the in single lab in a one single click. We don't want to spend time in each systems. We can do in a one shot. That is a major advantage in ManageEngine OS deployment.
And coming to the patch management, that is one of the interesting feature in the ManageEngine Endpoint Central. So earlier we don't have the system to install the patches effectively or on time. That will lead to a lot of Windows related issues. Once ManageEngine in place, we can schedule or test it and schedule the patches. So it is on time we can able to install the patches on the systems.
The another tool what we are using in our campus is remote tool. Also the remote shutdown, remote restart. In the remote desktop, it will help us to help our faculty staff on time resolution. It means we have lots of departments like accounts and exam office, all those things. So if once a user registers a complaint, immediately we are able to attend the issue like software installation or any kind of printer issues related, printer spooler related issues. Instead of before we usually send one person there, now we are able to reduce the SLA because of the ManageEngine tool. It will help us to reduce the workload as well as our engineer team effort.
So before, as he said, we have to go to the end user place for troubleshooting or any software installation or any driver updates and all. So now the help desk team can able to do it from the desk itself. We no need to send a person. That drastically reduces the manpower. So that change a lot of things in the time once the coming to the time management. So the SLA. So everywhere we can have this remote desktop tool has been changed a lot.
My favorite feature in the ManageEngine is software metering. Before you usually struggle to track the usage of the software. Once we implemented the tool, actually it is very easy to handle that, especially in the licensed software. The usage of the software, sometimes some cases people were not use the tool properly. In case tool means the software, they will not use properly. So now we are able to track it. What is the reason they are not using? How many times they used in a month or weekly wise? So we usually track effectively with the help of the ManageEngine tool, software metering.
So my favorite tool is the OS deployer. So before the ManageEngine OS deployer come in place, we are independently we have to go to the systems, we have to do the OS, then we have to do the softwares one by one. We have around 1,500 systems in the computer labs. So every semester break we have to do the formatting, reinstallation based on the next academic year. So the deployment is helped us to, we can create a master image and in a single click or with a USB we can deploy it to all the systems. So earlier it was took around 1 month to complete all this installation. Now I can say within 2 or 3 days I can able to complete. So I can say it's a most user friendly application. So in the application itself, when I go to a menu, downside the clear instruction is there. how to do or how to configure, or the knowledge base link is there. If we have more information, if we require, the knowledge base link is there, we can refer from there itself. So I can say it's a user friendly application.
See, the attractive thing in the ManageEngine is I feel like the support team. We have 2-3 options to reach out to support team. Easy method is to chat support. Chat support is very easy to get the support immediately. So I usually use the chat support always. The resolution time also is within 2-3 hours they will resolve the issue, and some cases it will extend maybe within 24 hours, maximum 24 hours. In my experience, maximum 24 hours they will take to resolve the issue. And even the sales team also in renewal, AIMS renewal, any kind of add-on thing, it is easy to now contact them and get the support immediately. And the product wise and GUI, and it is very user friendly actually. We usually give training to our junior engineers. Very easy to teach them the features, and it is equally like Windows features. How if you are using a Windows PC, similar way we can handle if you have a little bit of idea about Active Directory and Windows systems, we can able to handle ManageEngine tool, Endpoint Central. That's what that attractive feature, that attraction of ManageEngine, what I feel.
So those who planning to streamline their IT operations, it's the right software. So from the management of the endpoint management, the remote system, OS deployment or software deployment, even the asset management. So entire thing, A to Z is there in a single applications. So it's highly recommended to the education institution and even other corporate offices also to. We can drastically reduce the manpower, we can reduce the operation times. So ManageEngine, we highly recommend it to those who are planning to streamline their IT operations. So it's a single roof. We can have the base management, asset management, or the OS deployment or application control, metering, everything. So and the user friendly of the application, it's a very user friendly, and the support system. So they have a highly effective supporting team. Within minutes they will respond, or in new modules they'll support with the new scripts or add-on modules. They are always helpful for us.
Congratulations team Endpoint Central to completion of the 20th year, and thank you for all your support during the last 8 years to us.
As ManageEngine Endpoint Central is celebrating 20th anniversary, so I'm saying a big thank you to those who are working behind this fantastic application. So has saved a lot of time of a technician like us. So we can get a lot of time to invest on some other things. We can do some other research on anything. A big thank you to those who are working behind ManageEngine Endpoint Central. Thank you.